Someone, you're right.
Mr. Land, are you ready or are you in another court matter?
No, I'm ready, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, go ahead. The 36th district in the 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no eating or drinking, no gum chewing, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a motor vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Frederick Wells. This is case number 358678. One count operating illegal marijuana facility, social club. Also calling case number 213586321. One count operating a marijuana facility without a license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yeah, please, the court, Paula Cole on behalf of the people, P31888.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ivan Land, P65879, appearing on behalf of Frederick Rails, who's present on the screen. Your Honor, we have no objection to holding this matter by Zoom. Thank you.
Thank you. And Mr. Wells, can you state your name for the record, please?
Frederick Lester Wells.
All right. All right. Today is the date and time set for, one of them is pending, the other one looks like it's a pre-trial. How are we moving forward today?
Your Honor, Attorney Land and I would like to have at least a 1-month adjournment so I can discuss this a little further with the officers involved in this.
Okay.
That's correct.
All right. My pre-trial dates are October the 26th. Does that give you enough time?
Oh, more than enough, yes.
All right, so I'll make this matter October the
Hold
26th,
on 1 second.
2022, 8:30 a.m. Sir, your bond is continued at this time. Please return on that date via Zoom. Attorney Land, did you have anything further that you need to say at this time?
No, thank you. Always a pleasure, Your Honor. You and your staff. Take care.
Same here. Thank you. Thank you, Attorney Cole.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're all set, Mr. Wells.
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
Cool.
I will. No, I'm definitely bring her out. She needs more time. Ms. Witcher? Ms. Witcher,
Yes, I'm here.
how much more time do you need to be able to complete the community service?
A couple weeks.
Okay. October the 26th. Does that give you
Perfect.
enough time?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Come back in on October the 26th. We're gonna just adjourn this hearing and put it as a date that new time, okay?
Thank you so much.
Judge, did you want that on the record or no?
No, don't worry about it. You can go ahead and leave, Ms. Witcher.
Okay, is it the same time?
Same time, 8:30 a.m., okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, okay, yeah, you changed that around. Okay.
1 and 3.
Okay. And then, is it Marie Stevens?
Yes.
Okay, so I can log in the breakout room real quick and then give you the offer.
Okay, and then you already emailed Cash.
Yes. Let me see, I think she did. I don't think she's gonna have any issue with that.
Yeah, what you say about the water? Huh? What you say about the water? I had dumped it out. Oh. You might have gave me cookies or something. Is that the little face there? Miss Robinson, you got to move from in front of that camera with this outfit on. We can see you on YouTube Live, and that's inappropriate for court. Miss Robinson. Miss Robinson. Oh. Miss Robinson. Is that really Miss Robinson?
No, it's for him, whoever.
What's his name?
I-
Does anybody know his name?
No,
Do we have him checked in and signed in?
They can't hear us, so I haven't been able to sign them in.
Okay.
I already told her about her bad language, so I can send her a note about her dress.
It's okay. Put him in the waiting room.
Okay, you don't want me to tell her about her dress?
No.
Okay.
He can't hear us. So we gotta.
No.
Yeah, and then I'll deal with her at the end, maybe off YouTube, so. And I can try and talk to her in the waiting room too while she's waiting.
You don't.
All right. And I'll try and talk to her while she's waiting. Okay, John, let me put you in the room. You want to talk to Attorney Davis? Okay.
I'm
Yes,
sorry.
please, Your Honor. And
I sent Attorney Casca an offer via email with an accompanying email. If you would
Okay.
mind just taking a look at that. If you have any questions, we can discuss that before we go on the record.
Okay, I'll go look at that. Sorry, I just got off the record in Frank Murphy, so thank you, John. I appreciate it.
Welcome.
All right, let me put you both, Attorney Davis and Attorney Gillis, I'm gonna put you into room 1, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right. You're welcome. Ms. Robinson, let's try and connect to audio. So that came in. We can't hear you. Ms. Robinson, can you hear us? Ms. Robinson. Let me see if I can talk to her.
They said, sorry that you can't hear them. They can hear you. I wrote sorry for the disruption. You can have a seat. They know you're available. They know you sitting there. You can sit right there. They wait. They know you
Do you
there.
even know his name though? All right, there we go. He's reading it. I know. Can you tell us your name? Oh, Joseph Williams. Joseph Williams. All right.
This one will just read.
John? You can, he's in the courtroom now, Ms. Casca. Maybe you can mention it to him.
Yes.
Mr. Gillis, I didn't receive an email and I've been refreshing and searching by your email address as well.
Okay, hold on.
Thank you, Sandy.
Oh, you're welcome.
You know, it's kind of weird. So it shows that it was sent at 9:21, but the time's kind of blurry. Well, no. I think that's just something Outlook's doing. You know what? It's weird. The email just refreshed. Did it just come through right now by chance?
I'm going to refresh.
Outlook seems to be doing something kind of strange on my phone.
Well, it's Monday. It's probably wants to be still on the weekend. I think I have it now.
Okay. Yeah,
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Got
was
it now. It's technology.
Or something. Yes.
We all have to play nice with it. Thank you. I'm going to go review it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Attorney Davis, is your client on?
Oh, so.
Yes, he is. Did you need to talk to him before we move forward? Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. We're just gonna set a trial date.
Okay. If I can get him out.
Thanks.
All right. Here we go. Mr. Joseph Williams?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, sir. All right. We were having some audio issues with you. We can see you. We can hear you.
I apologize.
It's okay, Mr. So you can either just strictly be on the phone or you can use this as your audio so that you can be able to, we can hear you
I do
before
both.
we.
I do both.
Okay, all right, so I'm going to rename it and then we're going to end up putting you into what's called, you're Joseph, right? Joseph Williams.
Williams.
Okay, all right.
Sorry for the confusion.
It's okay, it's just that, people just have to be mindful that we can hear everything. So even though y'all couldn't hear us, we can.
That's what I was trying to tell her, but
it's
it'd
okay.
be kind of difficult.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna put you into what's called a breakout room. I'm gonna put both of your IDs. You'll be in there all by yourself. Don't hang up. The attorney will come in there and talk to you about your case and about your rights. And then when it's time, I'm gonna bring both the picture and the phone back into the main room. But don't hang up, okay?
All right.
All right, so we're gonna put both of those into the room so that we can be able to hear you okay, Mr. Williams, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you, sir. Thank you for following through and being diligent, okay?
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna put you in room 17. So you might have to join 17, so do you see where it says join? Where it just asks you to join on the computer, click join. Mr. Wade?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, now calling the matters of the people versus Corey Wade. This is ticket number P 1236053. Count 1, tinted window. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Ticket number P 1242424. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, blocking crosswalk or interfering with pedestrians. Ticket number P 1113822. 1 count, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P 1186224. 1 count, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P 1186225. 1 count, tinted window. And ticket number 736851. 1 count, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Maurice Davis, P 76203, appearing with Corey Wade, who's present appearing via Zoom. Mr. Wade, state your name for the record.
Corey Dantes Wade.
Judge, at this time, I'm asking the court to set these matters for a bench trial.
All right. Mr. Wade, can you please raise your right hand? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Wade, did you have an opportunity to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And he's informing me you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna set these matters for a bench trial on the date of November the 9th. November 9th. Does that work for you, Attorney Davis, via Zoom?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna make it at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond. Personal. All right, I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on all those matters, okay, Mr. Wade?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so November the 9th, 9 a.m. via Zoom. We'll see you back then, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, Attorney Davis. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye, Mr. Wade. You're all set. See you back November 9th, okay?
Okay, thank you.
The person who just called in on the phone ending 0621, what's your name?
Kenyatta Wilkins.
Ms. Wilkins, what time is your case scheduled for?
My case was scheduled on the 27th on Zoom, and it wouldn't let me in because it kept saying somebody using my email.
Okay, when the clerk gets a moment, she'll talk to you about that.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you be in the courtroom, please? I'm gonna give you a number. Take it down, okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
313
213
313, like Detroit area code. 313
313
965
965
2293.
2293. That's the Judge Chambers number.
No, that's the courtroom number. I'm gonna have you
No, the
call
court.
for a date to come into court, okay? Because today is not it.
No, I
Okay,
know it was last week, the 27th.
I know, ma'am. So we're gonna have you call the courtroom so that we can set you up with a new date and time. But I can't do it right now, so that's why we're gonna have you do it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
All right, bye-bye.
Good morning, ma'am. Gina's Galaxy. Can you hear me?
My name is Gina Whitfield.
Gina Whitfield. Thank you. Just 1 minute. Ms. Whitfield, what time was your case for?
At let's see. It was at 10 o'clock. 10:05.
Okay, I'll see you on the docket. The clerk will talk with you in a minute.
Okay.
Ms. Whitfield, would you please remove the do-rag from your head?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ms. Whitfield, would you happen to have a case number? You on mute, ma'am. Okay, now, would you happen to have?
Can you hear me?
Yes. Would you happen to have the case number?
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
It's 223-82029.
Wait a minute. Can you repeat that for me, please?
223-82029.
Ma'am, are you supposed to be at 36th District Court?
This is the meeting ID number I got. Because I was at court May 11th, and then they gave me another court date for August the 1st.
So you were in front of Judge Taylor?
I forget the judge's name.
Ms. Whitfield, I'm gonna have you call the courtroom, okay? So we can see what's going on. Can you write this number down?
Okay, cause, okay, well, yes,
It's 313
uh-huh,
965
uh-huh.
2293.
Okay, what's going on? I'm not supposed to be calling in today?
No, you're not on our docket for today, so we need to see what's going on, okay?
Yeah, they gave me August the 1st at 10:05.
We don't even schedule cases for 10:05 like that, so I don't know what's going on. We need to make sure you're in the right court.
Oh, Lord.
Just call the courtroom now.
Okay, all right,
Thank you.
okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ms. Casca, are you ready on your matter? Oh, I can't hear you. for
Mr.
some reason.
Wash, I went over it with Mr. Washburn and I just need to go and send it to the court. I sent it to Mr. Gillis.
Okay,
I don't know how to get it to the court unless Mr. Gillis is going to do that.
Mr. Gillis will give me instructions on what he wants me to do, so I just need to hold tight for his response. Is that what I'm hearing?
I don't know.
Because you presented him with something to get a different offer or
Oh,
what?
no. He gave me the offer that I want. I signed it after going over it with my client. We're ready to go. I just don't know how to get that signed plea offer to you guys.
You, okay, I'll put it in the chat.
I appreciate that. Thank you, Judge.
Okay. Okay, so. Where's the paperwork? Okay, what's that? Okay, that was good enough. Okay. Why not? Take care. I'm gonna give you a phone number. That courtroom, okay? That's what Judge Bryant, now for Judge Taylor. I don't see any court date that you have. That we see out there. And reinstatement fees that you need. Okay. Yeah, they dismissed. You still owe the reinstatement fee. You have still outstanding. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you the phone number. To the courtroom, for the ones who have the warrant out for it, and then Judge Bryant. All right, I'm gonna bring Mr. Washburn out. I see it, I have received.
You want to totally get court. If you supposed to be going for a landlord syndicate, you need to always get the court. So that's why that ticket number don't belong to that. That belongs to the city. Yeah, you got it. Okay. You want. I have to go through it. That's what I mean. I say, you can't pull it up. Yeah, you gotta get out of traffic. All right.
Mr. Washburn,
This is Trevor, yes.
now calling the matters of the people versus Trevor Washburn. This is Z 8086. What's in the background, sir? You got it. All right, there we go.
Is that better?
It is better, thank you. Z ticket 808600, one count operating high BAC. Ticket number P 1286506, one count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license not valid or improper license. Case number 227418851, one count wrong way on a one-way street. Ticket number SP 1299591, count 1, insufficient or defective light. Count 2, expired plate. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
And good morning, Your Honor. May it please this most honorable court, Nicole Casca, P 55470, on behalf of Mr. Washburn. Your Honor, Mr. Washburn and myself, we are appearing by Zoom video. We do consent to having these hearings on all matters conducted by Zoom video today. Mr. Washburn, can you please state your full name for the record and that you do consent to the Zoom hearings for all the cases that were mentioned?
Yes, I am Trevor Wesley Washburn, and I consent to these Zoom meetings and cases and hearings.
All right. How are we proceeding today?
Judge, there has been an offer after Mr. Gillis was able to review the documentation I provided to him. I did want to note as to case 227418851. I believe that went into default judgment status, so we need to have that set aside first in order to be able to resolve it today. Would that be correct, Judge?
Yes, so at this time, the court is going to set aside default judgment that was entered on ticket number 227418851, so that it can be a part of the plea that he takes today.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, with that, I have advised my client of his constitutional and statutory rights, as well as the maximum penalties I was facing, as well as driving license ramifications as well. After all of our discussions, my client wishes to avail himself of the generous offer from the people and would like to enter a plea of guilty as to operating while visibly impaired. And he also will be pleading responsible to the blockading on the other case. And then I believe all the other cases will be dismissed.
All right. You want to take advantage of that today, Mr. Washburn?
Yes, Your Honor.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Washburn, have you had the opportunity to talk to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I have.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
Nothing.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date on or about January 23rd of 2022. At that time, were you driving a Monte, let me see what kind of car this was.
Monte Carlo, yes.
Monte Carlo, I just want to make sure I had the right car. Monte Carlo vehicle in the area of East Forest and Woodward in the city of Detroit.
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you were driving that vehicle, were you under the influence of alcohol?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did that impair your ability to operate the vehicle correctly?
Yes, it did.
All right, and reading from the ticket to establish the factual basis that on that same date and time in that area of West Forest and Woodward Avenue in the city of Detroit, Mr. Washburn was driving a Chevy Monte Carlo and did go the wrong way on a one-way street, therefore blocking traffic. Satisfied, Attorney Casca?
I am satisfied, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Judge. Thank you.
Welcome. So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of operating while visibly impaired on Z ticket 808600 on case number 227418851. That's going to be amended to a plea of responsible to blockading. Okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so I'm going to set these up for sentencing on the Z ticket. On the operating while, on the blockading ticket, that's a civil infraction. That's $175. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay that. So essentially, you can take care of this ticket before you come back on the Z ticket. Are you going to be able to do that, sir?
Yes, I will take care of that in the next 2 weeks.
Because your sentencing won't be until September, okay? Because they need some time to be able to get this pre-sentence report. So take care of the blockading ticket. That's going to be due on August 15th. So that gives you 2 weeks, sir. August 15th, $175. Then we'll come back for sentencing as long as it works with your attorney on September the 2nd at 8:30 a.m. Does that work for you, Attorney Casca?
September 2nd is a good day, Judge.
So you're gonna have to call the probation services, sir. You or your attorney can take down the phone number and you gotta call them and let them know that you're gonna be sentenced that day. Are you ready?
I'm ready, Judge. I can go and take it and give it to him.
Thank you.
965 3434.
3434?
3414. I'm sorry, 3414.
Okay, perfect, Judge.
Bring me back what you have. I want to make sure I gave you the right number.
313-965-3414.
That's right. All right, Mr. Washburn, I'm not gonna lecture you too much today, but no driving unless you have your license. This could have turned out way worse. And so be very grateful at this point that it did not, but we'll address it at your day of sentencing, okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Continue with your AA, okay? The reason why you got such a good offer is because you have AA. You have 6 months of sobriety, so congratulations, okay? Keep it up. It's gonna be a battle. It's gonna be a struggle. I love it. I love it. So keep it up, okay? But we do have to take care of this matter, okay? But you keep it up, be strong as possible, and just know that you can do it, okay? So we'll see you back on September the 2nd for your sentencing. Oh, don't do that, Mr. Washburn. You got this, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Judge, this has been, I've known Mr. Washburn for a long time. This has been a very long road for him, and he's made such huge milestones in his improvement and his sobriety. It's really hard. I don't get to see this very often in 26 years. Someone who actually listens to me and out the gate already doing what I asked them to do because he knew how important it was. And I just want to share that with the court.
Thank you for sharing it. You know what, I can tell because he put up his coin to show me how proud he was of how hard he's been working.
Right.
So I know he's gonna keep working hard, okay? And I know
Yeah.
it's tough, okay? But just keep pushing and we'll see you back on September the 2nd, okay?
Thank you, Judge. Judge, is that in person or by Zoom?
Not Zoom. He can just
Thank
sign
you.
back in. Wait, he signed in this time, okay? Mr. Washburn, good luck to you, okay? I'll see you
Thank
then,
you.
okay? You're welcome.
Okay, Mr. Washburn, we can leave the meeting. Thank you, everybody. Be safe, be healthy.
Thank
All
you.
right, you too. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandy.
Yeah, because I'm crying early in the morning. I was ready. Friday, put that on. I know. I say, I looked over there to the side, I said, I'm just gonna take it up, because she be looking for it all day long. Every time it's a new thing, I looked over there today, I said, well, what a smart idea. Like, that's so smart. I can't get it, I had to look through my mind. Where is it at? I don't know. They didn't have it. People down all over. Oh, Attorney Wozak, are you ready?
Hello?
I believe I
Hello?
am. Oh,
Hold on now.
Hello?
What's your name now? On the phone.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Gina Whitfield. I was trying to call in, but I called the wrong number somehow. And they gave me the right number to call, and then they said that they had something about the meeting. But my name is Gina Whitfield.
Ms. Whitfield, you're back in the traffic courtroom. You need to be in the civil courtroom.
But I tried to call them. I don't know what to do, what else to do. I tried to call them, and they said they closed it.
Do you know the judge? What's the name of the judge?
I don't know, because that case number that I gave you said is not the right one.
Not for this courtroom. Do you see a judge on your paperwork for the civil?
Wayne Frost. Hello?
Bill, hang up again and call the courtroom again so we can figure out where you're supposed to be. Because you're not supposed to be on this Zoom. So I need you to Zoom off.
Okay, well, that number, Judge, that number you gave me, 965-2293.
Yes, call that number right back.
Okay, all right, bye.
The person who just called in, the Zoom.
I'm helping my uncle. I'm helping my uncle out. He had a Zoom and he was having complications. Here he is right now. Here.
Hold on, I'm on Zoom call. Hold on. Here. Yes, this is Reno Walls.
What's your last name?
Walls, Walls. I was having a problem with getting the Zoom together. I had to catch my nephew. I got on there earlier, but for some reason it cut me out.
Okay, Mr. Walls, I have you checked in. I'm going to put you in what's called a breakout room. It's a place where you will be on the phone by yourself. Your screen will be black. But Mr. Wazak, the attorney, will come in to talk with you. You're going to be there for a long time, but please be patient and don't log off of Zoom. And don't ask if we forgot about you or if you're in the right place, okay?
Maybe an hour or two or something like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
I'm
okay.
Here.
All right. Thank you. So just when you read the invitation, press join.
So it's going to look just like it looked right now. The dark screen. The screen going to look just like it looks right. I'm not too familiar with Zoom, but it's going to look just like it looked now. My screen is dark, but I can see a little reflection of myself, but the rest of the screen is blacked out.
Oh, is that right?
So I'm saying that's how it's going to be. That's how it's supposed to be for now.
Well, at this point, you should be able to see somebody in the courtroom. We can see you.
My screen is
Swipe it to the left or to the right.
Can you? Yeah, I see some other people up top, but it's
okay. Okay. Well, then that's fine. So when you go to the breakout room, your screen may be completely black, may not, but you'll be in a place where you can talk to the attorney, and nobody else will be able to hear you talk to that attorney. Okay. All right. When you receive the invitation to join the breakout room, press join. Oh boy, sir. Excuse me. I didn't see his name.
I'm coming, Trail. I'm coming. I think I'm good with everybody, but I need the city attorney on one person.
Dan?
Yes, hi. I should be ready on everyone except one person. I need the city attorney.
Okay, and he has another one too, Joseph Williams, that he needs to work on.
Oh, okay. Yep, I see him here.
Also, Dan, someone just signed in just very recently. His name is Reno. Let me find his name. Reno Walls. So you may not.
Oh, you know what? Oops, I marked off Wells instead of Walls. Okay.
It's Reno. Okay.
Okay. The other thing I need to know, Sandy, do I have any police officers checked in?
No. No police.
All right, then I have 3 no officer cases.
Yes, the judge is aware of those, Attorney Wazak.
Oh, okay. All right. And then, like I said, if I can touch base with the city attorney, I think we're good. There is one person who is going to need a specially appointed lawyer, like that guy today, Frederick Wiley. We were supposed to confirm his special appointment, and then I have another gentleman, Jamerson Wiggins, and he's going to need a specially appointed attorney. He's got some real okay. And then I think I'm ready. I hope I'm ready. At this many people, it gets a little confusing, as I'm sure you know. So I'm hoping I've got everybody covered. I went into all the breakout rooms, so hopefully I did. Oh, I gotta go see the new people. Sandy, do we know what rooms Mr. Walls and that Joseph Williams are in?
Sure. Joseph Williams is in number 3. He's on 2 devices. So he appears twice. And Reno Walls is in 1.
Okay, let me go in there while we wait for the judge. Cool.
Whitfield. Ms. Whitfield?
Order 33, of Judge Ruth and
Now he got more tickets.
Okay.
Attorney Wazak, trying to
Yes.
get us now.
Oh, John, are you there?
I am. How you doing?
Hi
Mr.
there. Good
Wazak?
morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday.
Likewise.
You were kind enough to send over a recommendation on Tarnisha Wright. It was plea to one, dismiss one, paper violations. And she actually has both the registration and insurance for 6 months on the Buick Rendezvous. The registration was issued 4/11/22, and the insurance was issued yesterday. Okay, sorry, July 30th, but it's there and it expires January 30. So by the deadline, she got it. Do you want to change? Do you want to change it to proper docs?
We can, yes, and as a matter of fact, I'll just, when we go on the record, you can just let the judge know that you verified the documentation, and as an officer of the court, that's sufficient.
Yep. Oh, I make him show it to me on the camera and everything. So yep, I will.
Yep.
I will. Okay. Okay, she's the one that I talked to her, so we're good. So that was my only problem with John. I'm sorry, with Mr. Gillis. I've got a couple, Mr. Gillis, that are no officers, I'm sure you're aware. And I have one gentleman. It's set for trial today. That's why that officer didn't show. Oh, okay. No, I'm good. Sorry, John. I'm rambling. I'm rambling. So, okay.
That works.
Well, just long short of it, he has big constitutional issues regarding traffic stop, removing him from the car, patting him down, blah, 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 blah. So I was going to ask for a specially appointed attorney. He wanted body cams and stuff. And it appears that the officer chickened out. So we don't have to deal with it.
Okay.
So that'll be a no officer one. So I think I'm good, John. You have a great morning.
All right. You too, Dan. Thank you.
Good to hear from you. Take care.
Now, which one you doing?
Joseph Williams. Yeah.
He's doing Joseph Williams, attorney. Why that?
Joseph Williams.
That was the
the dog ticket, John. That wait a minute. I have two. Hold on. I have a different dog case. Kelly Westbrook.
Yeah, Joseph Williams, he has dog cases too.
Yeah. What was I thought I spoke to him.
You haven't gotten his offer yet. John's working on it right now.
Okay. The other one that I have, Mr. Gillis, Ms. Westbrook, she is currently being sued by the neighbor about her dog. So given that there is civil stuff pending, I'm kind of hoping we can just adjourn that like 60 days.
Yeah, I think that makes sense to me too.
Because it's just a pretrial. So I think I don't know how long they'll let us keep setting it off till the civil is done. She says she's already been deposed by the neighbor's attorney. So it is moving along. So that's the best I can tell you on that one. And then I better go back in and talk to Joseph Williams.
I'm sending you his offer right now.
Okay, great. Three.
Oh, man. For the conference, yeah, the other one. But y'all saying two different ones? Well, I want to do the two different conferences.
hopefully on everybody now. Oh. Oh.
You ready, Attorney Wise, yet?
I hope we can go through it. There are a lot of people here this morning, but I think I made good notes. Let's give it a try.
All right, I'm gonna do all the dismissals first, okay?
Oh, I'm glad to hear that. They will be too.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is gonna be chaos for a moment. I'm gonna bring everybody in and I'm putting them in note. I'm gonna see if this will work today. Let's see if people are paying attention. Mr. Wall,
Yes. Beg your pardon?
it's okay. Hold on a second.
Okay.
I'll wait for the court reporter.
I'm here, Judge.
Okay, I just want to
Trying to bring them
make
all
sure.
in.
Yeah, I just want to make sure. I was just gonna bring in, the people who I'm dismissing.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Walls, I'm gonna need you to stop
Hey.
moving for me, okay?
Okay. I had to wipe my glasses, that's all.
It's okay. You good.
Right.
Oh, I think that's somebody else, but.
All right. Mr. Reno Walls,
Yes.
now calling the matter of the people versus Reno Walls. This is ticket number 731636. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Today is the date and time set for a bench trial. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Daniel Wozak. My bar number is P35225. I appear with Mr. Walls via Zoom technology. Will waive in-court presence. Mr. Walls, will you tell the judge your full name for the record, please?
Mr. Reno Edward Walls.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, this morning, Officer Pulowski has not appeared for the trial. I am making a motion to dismiss.
At this time, the time is now 11 a.m. No officer having appeared. The court is going to grant that and dismiss this matter without prejudice. Sir, you're all set, okay?
Okay. Thanks, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Have a blessed day.
You too, sir.
Thanks, Witches.
Miss Melanie Williams?
Yes, I'm here. Sorry.
No, you're fine, ma'am. Now calling the matter of the people versus Melanie Williams. This is ticket number X3189964. This is one count open intoxicants in a vehicle passenger. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Daniel Wozak with the defendant. We appear via Zoom and waive in-court presence. Ms. Williams, will you tell the judge your full name, please?
Melanie Dawn Williams.
Your Honor, in this matter, Officer Tolbert has not appeared for today's trial date. I am making a motion to dismiss.
At this time, the court, seeing the time being 11:06 a.m., no officer having checked in, the court is going to grant that and dismiss the matter without prejudice. Ma'am, that means that they can't refile this matter, but at this time, you're all set, okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing
Thank
further.
you. Thank you, Judge and Counsel. Bye.
Bye, have a good day.
You too.
All right, thank you. Natasha Walker?
Hi, yes, I'm here.
Is it Natasha or Natasha?
Natisha.
Natisha, okay, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Natisha. And Ms. you might have to mute yourself, okay, until we get it started. It's really noisy where you are. Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Natisha Walker. This is ticket number P1222822. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, improper lane usage. Count 3, accident, failed signal on turn or leaving curb. Also calling case number SP116981191, one count speeding 26 to 30 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I'm Daniel Wozak on behalf of the defendant. We appear via Zoom and waive in-court presence. Ms. Walker, it is sort of noisy where you are. Can you just open your microphone and tell the judge your name?
Natisha Janae Walker.
Thank you, ma'am. Judge, the officers in Ms. Walker's cases have not appeared for today's trial or the formal hearing. We were going to ask that all of these matters be dismissed.
Time is now 11:08 a.m. No officers having been present at this time. The court is going to grant your request and dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ma'am, they can refile this if they would like to, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
Thank you very much. You all have a good day.
You're welcome. Have a good day. She said, thank you very much. Have a good day. Jamerson Wiggins?
Yes.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Jamerson Wiggins. This is ticket number P1238856. One count violation of basic speed or drove in an unsafe manner. Count 2, dirty, obscure, and properly displayed plates. Count 3, tinted windows. Ticket number P1238860. Count 1, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Count two, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P 1238869. One count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning. I'm Daniel Wozak on behalf of the defendant. We appear via Zoom and waive in-court presence. Mr. Wiggins, will you open your microphone and tell the judge your name, please?
Jamerson Wiggins.
Your Honor, at this time, Officer Majed has not appeared for any of the trials or formal hearings. I am going to ask for a motion to dismiss at this time.
Time is now 11:09 a.m. I don't know why this clock is off. Mine says 11:07, but I know I said 11:08 for the last one, so we'll keep it consistent. 11:09 a.m. No officer having been present for this matter, as it was set for 9 a.m. The court is going to grant your request to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, you're all set for today. They can refile it if they would like to, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. What do you want next?
Tarnisha Wright is also a dismissal judge. She had proper documents.
Ms. Wright? Ms. Wright? Tarnisha Wright?
I'm sorry, can you hear me?
I can. Can you turn on your camera for me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Was it on? Oh, okay. All right.
There you go. All right.
There you
Now
go.
calling the matter, hello, good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Tarnisha Wright. This is ticket number P 1241479. Count one, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
I'm Daniel Wozak on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, will you tell the judge your name?
My name is Tanasha Wright.
Judge, we're appearing via Zoom and will waive any court presence. Ms. Wright did present proper registration and 6 months worth of proper insurance. The city is willing to dismiss. We will stipulate to probable cause.
So at this time, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ma'am, make sure to always have valid documents up to date and in your vehicle, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
All right.
All right, bye-bye, ma'am. What would you like next?
Kelly Westbrook, we need to adjourn. There's a civil case pending.
Okay. All right. Ms. Westbrook, can you hear us?
Miss Westbrook?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is she.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kelly Westbrook. This is B ticket 123129. One count of any person shall prevent the animal from engaging in nuisance, menacing, or potentially dangerous behavior. B ticket 123130. One count of fail to provide a leash or a responsible person for a dog off owner's property. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning. I'm Daniel Wozak on behalf of the defendant. We appear via Zoom and waive in court presence. Ms. Westbrook, will you tell your full name to the judge, please?
Yes, Kelly Marie Westbrook.
Your Honor, as you can see, these matters involve a dog situation, and there is currently a civil case pending with the neighbor about these incidents. They have already done depositions, so I know it is moving along. Mr. Gillis and I discussed the possibility, perhaps, if you could adjourn this for 60 days, and we'll see if maybe there's been some sort of settlement that would obviate the need for the tickets.
If I set it for a pretrial on October 26th, you think that's enough time?
That should be good time, Ms. Westbrook. October 26th, you'll need to come back here to deal with these tickets. We will not be sending you a reminder, or likely not. So October 26th, you need to be sure you have that written down. And on that day, as you see, our morning dockets take a while. Please be sure your device is fully charged, okay?
Okay, and at 8:30?
At 8:30 a.m. Yes, at 8:30 a.m., same Zoom number. So hopefully the matter will be moved along and we can give you something different at that time, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, bond is continued. She already appeared to one court hearing. And so now that it's moving along, bond continued, $0 personal. We'll see you back October the 26th, okay?
Thank you. Okay.
You're welcome. Have a good day, Ms. Westbrook.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We do have another dog case, Judge, but it's going to resolve. Mr. Joseph Williams.
Okay. Oh, he done got signed off. It's okay. What do we have next?
Joseph Williams, if we can bring him in.
No, he signed off. He was having internet issues all morning or like connection issues. I don't see him out.
Oh,
I know he was here, but I don't see him. Sorry.
okay. Robert Walsh would accept a plea offer. Robert Walsh. Oh, I'm sorry, Robert Wash. Wash.
Yes, hello?
Mr. Wash?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear us, Mr. Wash?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Call your madam. Now calling the matter of the people versus Robert Wash. This is ticket number P11874718. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daniel Wazak with the defendant. Mr. Wash, will you tell the judge your name, please? It appears he might be frozen, Judge. Mr. Wash, can you respond? Oh dear.
I'm gonna drop in a moment.
Mr. Wash, your device appears to be frozen. Can you tap the screen or see if you can unfreeze it? Oh, we've lost him completely. Oops.
Sometimes they sign back.
Perhaps. Let's try DeJuan Watson. He would like a pretrial.
Okay. Mr. Watson, can you unmute yourself, please, and turn on your camera? All right.
Oh.
Now calling the matter of the people versus DeJuan Watson. This is U ticket 6111121. One count disregard officer signal. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daniel Wazak on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Watson, will you tell the judge your name, please?
DeJuan Watson.
Your Honor, the city is recommending dismissal of this matter in 12 months if the matter is paid. They are requesting a guilty plea. I would advise the court that this took place apparently more than a year ago or about a year ago. My client really does not have a clear recollection of how this interaction with the officer started. I am going to ask the court to accept a no contest plea, and we would stipulate to the face of the ticket if the court would permit.
Is that right? That's how you, now, Mr. Watson.
Yes.
You're going to engage in this conversation. So are you ready? Are you in a position where you can engage for a moment?
Yes.
All right. Do you want to take advantage of that offer of a no contest plea today?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, Mr. Watson. Did you have an opportunity to talk to Attorney Wozniak in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
I mean, no contest. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Are you pleading no contest? And do you understand that by taking a no contest plea, that's treated just like a guilty plea, but you won't be making any factual basis on the record. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
Do you understand that also by taking this no contest plea, you're going to give up your rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You understand that, sir?
Yep.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this no contest plea today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 21st, 2021, in the area of Monroe and Beaubien Street.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Watson was driving a vehicle in the city of Detroit and did disregard an officer's signal. Satisfied?
Yes, Judge, I am.
All right. And the court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea as charged to disregard officer's signal. Sir, this is under a 12-month delay sentence. What that means is that as long as you have no new contacts in 12 months, this matter will be dismissed. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
All right. Do you really not remember what happened that day? What type of signal was it? Were they trying to get out the way? How did it happen? You don't remember anything?
I actually wasn't in a car for this. I'm not sure what they mean by disregard off signal.
Okay.
That's
It's
what I was
my
trying to-
understanding. I'm sorry to interrupt, Judge. It's my understanding.
okay.
Go ahead.
It's my understanding there was a group of people down in Greektown, Judge, and the officers were trying to control the crowd. My client questioned the officer at some time about that, and it sort of got into words, is what I'm told.
Okay, so you weren't in the car. You were just walking. That's why it doesn't have a car that you were driving?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So you just walking in the group and you started mouthing off with the police officer?
Yes, because I feel like they were being overly aggressive.
Okay. Well, what did you learn, Mr. Watson?
I guess to keep my mouth shut to the police.
Okay. I know sometimes they can be, more aggressive than you would think that they need to be. And when you with your friends too, you get this thing called bravery. I ain't gonna let them talk to me any kind of way. You ain't gonna be talking to me all kinds of crazy. So you're not gonna let them punch you in front of your friends. Mr. Watson,
No.
are you the only one of your friends who got a ticket that day?
Yes.
What, did they keep their mouths closed?
No, I guess the officer told me he felt threatened because I was raising my voice.
Oh.
And but it wasn't, I wouldn't specifically say I felt brave or it was even a situation like that. It was just the way that they were handling us, and I know it was overly aggressive. It was just the way that we were being handled for something that we had no control over or didn't do ourselves. So that's just where it came from. It wasn't specifically because I was with anyone.
Okay. Was it a large group of people then? What do you mean that it wasn't in your control? A lot of people down there?
Yeah, and it was just, I guess it was just wild. But like I said, it wasn't me and the people that I was with that did anything. They were just been overly aggressive with everyone, and then they came to us and we were just people walking down the street. So
Friday night. All right, typically my fine for cases like this is community service.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna make you do community service. You have a year to complete 40 hours, okay?
Yes.
Okay. And then as long as you get no new tickets, which I expect you won't get any new tickets, okay? We're gonna have a review of it on August 1st of 2023. This matter will be dismissed, okay?
Yes.
All right. So I'm gonna give you a phone number to call for the community service. You ready?
Yeah, one quick second. Okay, I'm ready.
313
Mhm.
965 8130.
Okay.
Okay, call her,
Yes.
tell her you have to do 40 hours of community service and that you
Hello?
have a year completed, okay?
Yes.
Mr. Wash, you can't just talk in the middle of my hearings. All right, Mr. Watson, you got any other questions?
No.
Okay. All right. You're all set, okay?
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, I will, thank you.
Mhm.
All right, where we going next?
Oh, Mr. Wash is back if you want to try and complete him.
Oh, yeah, okay. All right, Mr. Wash, unmute yourself. Thank you.
Closer.
Mr. Wash?
Yes.
Okay, now if you got some kids around you just for this hearing, you're gonna have to step away for a moment so we can hear you, okay?
You say you gotta step away for a minute?
No, I said if you have some kids in the background, because I heard some crying, step away from them for a minute while you handle this matter, okay?
Yeah, that's what I did. I put her in the room.
Okay, fantastic. Recalling the matter of People versus Robert Wash. This is ticket P 11874118. One count drove while license suspended. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daniel Wozak with the defendant. Mr. Wash, will you tell the judge your name, please?
Robert Wash.
Your Honor, if the court would permit, my client would ask for a 60-day adjournment. He'd like to get all his paperwork straightened out so he can show it to the city attorney.
All right, Mr. Wash, I'm going to give you an adjournment
Okay.
until October. Let me see. Okay. October the 26th, 2022,
All right.
8:30 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal. There
Okay.
is one ticket on this that went into default. Attorney Wozniak, did you have a
Yes, Judge,
motion?
I'd like to make a motion to set aside that default. Apparently, Corporation Counsel was willing to consider it today, but as I said, we want to see if we can show documents.
Absolutely. So at this time, the court is going to grant that motion and take out of default count number 2 on ticket P 11874118, so we can see if we can resolve them all at the same time on October the 26th, 8:30 a.m., sir, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will.
Thank you.
Let me, is this Mr. Wiley on the screen?
Yes.
Did anyone ever reach out to you for counsel, or did you say you were getting counsel?
No, you said you was assigned to me, counsel. No one ever reached.
No one ever reached out to you? I tried to reach out to them. Okay, hold tight. Do you have our phone? I sent her an email, but no. All right. What do you want to do next?
Judge, Tanya, I'm sorry, Sombra Wimberly is going to accept an offer.
Ms. Wimberly? Ms. Wimberly?
Yes.
Okay. Are you able to turn on your camera?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Sombra Wimberly. This is ticket number P1209418. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Daniel Wozak with the defendant. Will waive in court presence. Ms. Wimberly, will you tell the judge your name, please?
Sabra Wimberly.
Your Honor, she's willing to plead to the first ticket read into the record, and they'll dismiss count 2.
You want to take advantage of that offer today, ma'am?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of June the 7th of 2021. Were you in the area of Seaward and Woodward Avenue in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did your vehicle at that time, was it unregistered or untitled with the Secretary of State's office?
Yes.
Satisfied, attorney?
Yes, Judge, I'm satisfied.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Judge, we do.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. I'm going to dismiss count 2 in this particular matter. Ma'am, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30.
Okay, I'll have it due no later than September the 1st, 2022, okay?
Thank you.
You're very welcome, Ms. Wimberly. You have a good day.
You too.
All right.
That's what I'm looking for, Tiana Williams. Great.
Ms. Williams?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You turn on your camera, please.
Sorry, 1 second.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Tiana Williams. Tiana Williams, this is ticket number P811002, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, drove while license not valid or improper. Ticket number 3308201, count no operator's license on person. And ticket number 154580241, 1 count no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daniel Wozak with the defendant will waive in court presence. Ms. Williams, will you tell the judge your name for the record?
Tiana Williams.
Your Honor, there's an offer from the city. She would like to accept that. Ticket ending in 002, count 1, improper plates.
Is that right, Ms. Williams? You want to take advantage of that offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm? Oh, got it. That's good. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, You're gonna give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes,
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward?
yes,
All right, Ms. Williams, I want to take you back to the date of October the 28th of 2016. At that time, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of West 7 Mile and Wildermere Streets in the city of Detroit?
yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did it not have any car insurance on it at the time?
No, I did not.
Satisfied, attorney?
I am satisfied, Judge.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper place. We're to dismiss count 2 of that same ticket. The remaining 2 tickets called on this record today will be dismissed as well. Ma'am, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
Is that something that I can take out of the bond that I paid?
How much money did you pay in the bond?
$800.
Yes, it can be taken out, okay? So we'll take
Okay.
that $200 bond out of that. Did you physically come down here and pay it?
Yes, Your Honor.
So sometimes if you come down here and let them know that's what's been ordered, it'll go a little quicker, okay?
Okay,
Also, there may be some reinstatement fees. They can take that bond money and apply it to those so you can be able to apply to get your license quicker, okay?
okay,
All right, the remaining amount of money is to be returned to you, however, okay?
okay.
Unless you have some outstanding matters, are these all your tickets?
They're all, this is my last stop.
Okay. All right, so whatever
Okay.
time, they're gonna come back to you, okay?
Okay,
All right, Ms. Williams, good luck to you. Congratulations on getting all that taken care of so you can be good.
thank
out
you.
it.
Thank
right.
you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, ma'am.
You too.
All right, bye-bye. All right. So, Mr. Wiley,
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm trying to find out why no one was assigned to your case right now. I have all your information and I submitted it, but I want you to come back today to ensure that you had some counsel. So I'm going to reach out to them again. I have your phone number. You know, your bench trial is scheduled for September the 6th, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to follow up. I sent an email already. I'm going to follow up with you by the end of this week to make sure that you have counsel, okay?
Yes.
Thank you for your patience this morning. I don't know what happened. I'm glad you signed on. Now I know that you didn't have what was supposed to be assigned to you, okay, sir?
Yes.
All right. All right. You got any questions for me at this time?
Nope.
Okay, all right, so I'm gonna call you. I reached out to them already. I'm not getting a response right now. I'm not gonna hold you any longer, but I wanna make sure that you have counsel. So I'm gonna reach out to you by the end of this week. Hopefully, we can get you counsel either today, later today, or tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Wiley. You have a good day, okay?
You have a better one. Yeah.
All right, thank you. All right. I'm gonna take this back. Since we both kind of reached out to him. Okay. I'm just set it right here. All right. Wells, Mr. Wells.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
It's
I don't
Mr.
have you on the
Wells.
docket today. What's going on?
Take myself off the picture. Said you don't? I'm sorry.
Yeah, I don't. Hold on. Let me make sure. What type of hearing were you supposed to have today? A review, sir?
No, I'm trying to pull my camera. I'm not just camera. I thought everything was taken care of and thrown out, or during my last appointment, my last hearing. I don't know if it was a hearing, but I spoke with the magistrate.
Okay. We don't have you on the docket. Did you call the courtroom? We're trying to figure you got some case numbers.
You said, did I call the courtroom?
I said, could you call call the courtroom, because we don't have you on the docket for today, but I want to see if you have some case numbers that we can look out and try and figure out what's going on, okay?
I got a folder here with some things. Let's see a case number. It'll be under. This was with Miss Taylor, Marlene Taylor, P 73172. Case number, I see it. SP 119788901.
It's closed. It was dismissed
Okay,
July.
okay. I think it's enough. That's what this is it. It's SP 11978802.
Closed. July 6th, it got dismissed.
Okay. I still had something that came in the mail, so I just didn't want to miss it.
Oh, I
Make sure.
understand, Mr. Will. So what ends up happening is if you come in to the courtroom, typically if you have some further out court dates, we try and pull everything so that we can take care of it at one time. So you may have just got some correspondence because they automatically send it out for the other court date, but you're all set,
Yes.
Mr. Will. Take care of it.
Okay.
Both closed.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, okay?
You do too. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, that concludes our morning docket.
We did it without too much of a hitch. Thanks, Judge.
We did. We lost one of the guys, but he was having all kinds of trouble signing on, so he called later. Mr. Williams, Joseph Williams. We'll have him later, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, that's all set for this morning.
Well, thank you, Judge. You and your staff have a great day. Take care, Sandy.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye now.
All right, Judge. How was your vacation?